Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? I am Robert, and guys, let's talk today about the FlowForce Max supplement. In this quick video review, we'll discuss if this supplement is safe for you, if it actually works, where you're going to buy it, how to use it, and many more things, okay? So guys, if you want to learn more, stay with me until the end of this video, alright? And guys, if you want to get to know more about FlowForce Max, I'm leaving the only official website in the first link in the description of this video. Now, for all of you men out there that are suffering with prostate problems, because guys, this ends today. Because I'm pretty sure that you were tired of having the discomfort on your prostate, right? Guys, it takes a toll on your self-confidence. It makes you feel really bad. You cannot get intimate with your partner. You need to go 2, 6, or even more times to the bathroom before you sleep, guys, because your bladder won't stop bothering you. It hurts to urinate. And guys, your bladder also embarrasses you in public. And guys, no man deserves this. Men deserve to live a fulfilling and happy life, guys. And everyone, that's why I'm here today to talk to you guys about the FlowForce Max, guys. This revolutionary natural supplement for your prostate, guys, which has been created after many scientific discoveries. Scientists, guys, have discovered that there are fungal infections happening in your prostate that are causing all of the discomfort, that are making your prostate twice its size. And all of these fungal infections, if left untreated, can lead to BPH, guys. And guys, I'm pretty sure that you don't want to go through this, right? And guys, don't worry, because FlowForce Max is here to help you, okay? And guys, with only naturally, carefully selected ingredients, guys. And all of these ingredients will help to get rid of every single one of these fungal infections that are happening in your prostate right now, guys, and keep you protected for a very long time. Men are having amazing results with FlowForce Max, okay? And let me tell you right now how you're going to use this. All you need to do, guys, is simply chew 1 tablet a day, guys, okay? And guys, every single one of the ingredients will act on your prostate, guys, but it takes a little bit of time, so use it every single day to start seeing results. And the first few results can be seen within just a few weeks. But men that have used the FlowForce Max supplement have reported the best results after 3 to 6 months of using the supplement, okay? And everyone, safety-wise, don't worry, because the FlowForce Max is totally safe to use. It's FDA-approved, GMP-certified, and manufactured under the most sterile, strict, and precise standards. FlowForce Max also non-GMO, not heavy forming, totally gluten-free. So guys, with FlowForce Max, you have no side effects whatsoever, because every single one of the ingredients are totally natural, okay? FlowForce Max is clinic proven, okay, and backed by science. So guys, it is 100% safe. And guys, there's more, because to top this all off, FlowForce Max also comes with an amazing risk-free 60 days money-back guarantee. So guys, in the matter of 2 months, you see no results with FlowForce Max, which I found really hard to believe, guys, but there's no problem. If you want your money back, you can ask it anytime you want. So everybody, I really hope that somehow I helped you with this review of FlowForce Max, guys. That was my review, okay? And if you want to get to know more about this amazing supplement, I'm leaving the only official website in the first link in the description of this video, alright? Guys, there you can find testimonials, there you can find more infos about the products, and there are some free bonuses if you go to the website right now, okay? And the website is down below. Now everybody, you know what I'm gonna ask you, right? Guys, please give it a like or a thumbs up if you like this video review of FlowForce Max. You can also leave a comment down below for any questions, guys, alright? Thanks for staying with me until the end of this video review, and I really hope to see you on the next video. Have a nice one, everyone.